Unlimited $100 commissions. So what you're seeing right now are the emails that I have received over the years telling me that I just earned a $100 commission. Now, what's really exciting about this is they just literally redid the entire product that this is the one that pays $100. They just redid this whole thing and put a bonus offer on there that's valued at $387. Now, to earn these $100 commissions, all you have to do is purchase, and you can see they just keep going on and on and on and on and on. As you can see, I've made many, many over the years. So this definitely is something people buy, um, and it definitely pays. Okay, so I want to come back over here now that I showed you that to my YouTube channel here. Just make sure. Okay, good. This video right here is where I started talking about the new updates, bonus offer to this product, Free Ad Secrets. Okay, so you could feel free to watch that whenever you want to watch it. Um, but there's been a lot of new updates since I made that video. So I want to come back and I want to show you what's going on and why this is so exciting. All right. So this is called Free Ad Secrets. So right now I'm in my Power Lead System back office. As you can see, this back office has been really simplified. You have a greeting from Neil right here. You have step one, step two, step three. So to get started, this is all you do. You go step one, join the Facebook group. Step two, open and read your quick start guide. Step three, this is where you go and get traffic to your system so your system can go and start producing sales for you. Now, uh, what I want to do is I want to come over here to the Facebook group, the official Facebook group. I want to talk about this big announcement. Okay, big announcement. We just launched something new, brand new. It's called Free Ad Secrets, and it comes with a plug and play AI marketing team, zero ad budget needed, $100 commissions on every level to unlimited depth. If you've been trying to grow without burning out, this is your shortcut. Okay. And then PS, now live in your PLS back office and coming soon to Lead Lightning. So I want to come over here to the page, the free ad secrets page. There's a few things going on here. So I'm going to come back over here. You're going to find it right here. So when you go ahead, click on the link in the description of my video, you can go ahead and create a free account. And then you're going to want to come right here, this free ad secrets right here. And you're going to want to click on that and purchase that. It's $147 one time. It's going to unlock you being able to make unlimited $100 commissions to unlimited depth. That means you could have someone 10 levels down from you and they'll be passing up those $100 commissions to you. You don't know who they are, you don't know anything about them, but you're still getting paid on them. Now, what's really cool and what they're doing, and I talked about this in my previous video, is for new members coming in, they are going to be given a 72-hour window to get the bonuses. So let me show you these bonuses that you're getting completely free. Completely free. These are bonuses you're getting when you decide to go and purchase free ad secrets for $147. Okay. So first off, you're getting this mind mastery right here. Mind mastery magic. This is NLP. Okay. It's a 5-day course. And what it's designed to do is essentially clear mindset blocks, clear limiting beliefs, help you with procrastination, overcome procrastination, and help you just become the best version of yourself. And this, what's taught in here, you can apply to any aspect of your life. This was sold for 297. It is sold for 297. You can still go and purchase this. You can go sell this on its own and make $200 commissions just from this. So you're getting this completely free. Now you're also going to get 2 skill building AI workshops. Now these products, this is part of something we call automation, AI Automation Academy. And what it is every month there's a new workshop being done. And these are various different things that has to do with AI, like how to use AI for your marketing, to create copy, to stand out from the crowd, to make music, all kinds of things that are talked about when it comes to AI and freeing up your time. And like I said, standing out from the competition. Now, what's cool here is they're giving you two workshops. These are both sold for $45 each. You're getting them free. So you have the first one here, visuals with ChatGPT. You can see action figure comes out of a box. That's one of the things that was taught, among other things, on this workshop. And then this other workshop is on how to make music using AI within like 5 minutes. Like it takes no time at all. And then how to monetize that music. So you're getting all of this completely free. Now, what they added to this, they completely revamped this product. And I'm not going to go through all of it, but I just want to kind of show you some of it. So what's inside Free Ad Secrets bundle? You get Free Ad Secrets playbook. You get the full audiobook so you can listen on the go while you're walking, while you're driving, whatever. You get 7 digital AI coaching agents. And each one of these are not basic chatbots. Each one of these are digital AI coaches trained on 7-figure marketing campaigns, behavioral psychology, and battle tested frameworks like the Spark method. So we come down here, meet your coaches. Free Ad Secrets Companion Coach, Post Swap Writer, Webinar Traffic Coach, Spark Mega Vault. We got the Spark Copywriter. This is all about crafting emails, ads, sales pages, funnel scripts, launch copy, social posts. So this is all very useful stuff that can help you make more money, no matter what you're doing. It could be Power Lead System. It could be any other company. It doesn't matter. You could use these tools to create this copy, this marketing copy, sales pages, all this stuff, right? You got the Go Viral playbook, and like I said, the bonuses. So that's what you're getting here. It's valued at, I want to say it's $387 of bonuses. You pay one time 147. That puts you in position to start earning $100 commissions over and over again. Like I said, to get the bonuses, there's a little urgency. There's a 72-hour window. If you don't get it in 72 hours, it's gone. You don't get the bonuses. You can still get the product, but you don't get the bonuses. So that's going to people make help you make more $100 commissions. Now, the other thing, and I just learned this, and I talked about it just a minute ago, is they're adding this into Lead Lightning. Now, what the heck is Lead Lightning? Lead Lightning is just our tripwire. So we have Power Lead System, that's like the main thing. But then we have what's called Lead Lightning, which is another system. It's part of Lead Lightning. It leads into Power Lead System, where people can start for as little as $7. As little as $7. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to come in. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to get this set. There's no setup process. I'm going to click here, show me my link. I'm going to come down here. Let's say you don't have a domain. Click here. There's my link. There's my page. There's my system. It's ready to go. This is Lead Lightning. $7. Earn commissions daily. Plug and play funnel. AI handles the follow for you. No monthly fees. $7 pays unlimited $6 commissions. Now they also added an order bump in there for $37 one time, and you get $25 commissions. So now you can earn $6 and $25 commissions still in Lead Lightning. Now, what I learned is they're going to be also adding free ad secrets into there. So that's going to be right in Lead Lightning. So people are going to have the option of going ahead and upgrading right there so they could start earning those $100 commissions. So we have a gradual stair step happening. You have the $7 to the 37 to the 147. These are all one-time payments. So that's like fantastic because, you know, people get scared for whatever reason of residual or monthly payments. I mean, they'll pay for their car, they'll pay for their insurance, they'll pay for streaming, all kinds of things they'll pay monthly for. But when it comes to something that can turn into an asset for them and pay them over and over and over again, it's the strangest thing. They'll be, oh no, 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 don't want that monthly. So there's no monthly. The products I just talked about, there's no monthly. These are one time, and these can keep coming in over and over again. Let me show you the sales page real quick. So let me just come back here. I'm going to go back to Fast Start and connect my website. I'm just going to show you the sales page. Again, you don't need to do any setup. It's ready to go out the box. There's a sales page. And this is for Lead Lightning. See, unlimited $6 commissions, what you get in Lead Lightning. So this is all part. So if you're following me, and I hope you're following me, we now have a way where you can get someone started for $7. You can start for $7. Okay, $7. Make you $6 commissions over and over. You now have an option to upgrade to 37 where you can make $25 commissions. But Power Lead System members, they don't pay any extra. This is all included in their stuff. So if you want to bypass all that and just go straight into Power Lead System, you get all that. You can earn the $25 commissions without even going into Lead Lightning. But if not, you go through Lead Lightning. That's how it works. And then you're going to be able to earn $100 commissions when people upgrade. And there's going to be that 72-hour window where they can get the bonuses. I mean, this is exciting. I don't know if you're excited with me saying this because, as I showed you, this thing is powerful. And that was before. That was before we had the bonuses. All we did before, to be honest with you, is we just tell people, hey, look, if you want to position yourself to make a little extra money, go ahead and upgrade to Diamond. Free ad sequence. Go ahead and upgrade to that. And as I showed you at the beginning of this video, people do it. And that was back then. Now you got, a huge bonus offer for 387. Now you have people being able to come through Lead Lightning for $7, get a completely done for you system. I hate saying done for you, but the majority of this is done for you. All you have to do is put this in front of people. Now, before, it kind of didn't make a lot of sense because, oh, well, I'm going to make $6 commissions. How's that going to pay for my advertising? How's that going to offset my advertising cost? Well, now you can make the 25 too. So you get a few of those sales and your advertising cost is taken care of. Now you kind of have an endless lead system because now you are constantly being able to purchase traffic, which is bringing endless leads, which is bringing endless sales. You see where I'm going with this? And then as people start upgrading, and let's just cut it off at the 100, at the 147, you can still make a very good income just at that. But Power Lead System also has many other products that you can position yourself to earn more. We have the all-in bundle and that's 1997, pays you $1,500 commissions. That gives you everything, everything. But as I said, we have Free Ad Secrets, we have AI Automation Academy that pays you another residual. We have Home Business Pro, which pays you $400 commissions. We have Master Traffic Institute, which pays you $1,000. You don't need to get all that, but I'm just saying it's available. Like if you are a real go-getter and you really want to position yourself to make the most money, you have the option of going all in and saving $500 right off the top. It's the same system. It's the same system. Like when I understood that I was doing the same exact thing as I would be doing for a $7 funnel as I am to make a $1,500 commission. I'm doing the same thing. Like, why wouldn't I go and position myself to make the most money? Like, it doesn't even make sense if you can do it. If you can't do it, don't do it. But I would strongly, strongly, strongly encourage you to get this. Strongly encourage you to get this. That's going to put $100 in your pocket. And the way they're setting this thing up, this is going to go nuts. I really think it is because when you have like it's at a price point that most people can afford. 147. I mean, I've seen $100 products with literally no value just go nuts, go absolutely nuts online. And this is just way better than that. there's it's actual value. I mean, it's something you can actually, it's tools you can actually use to grow any business. So that's a big deal, you know. And you can earn $100 commissions to unlimited depth. So now you have a system. Let's say you start with lead line, you start with power lead system. It doesn't matter. I don't care where you start. You're doing the same thing. And the sooner you understand that, the sooner you can really start running, and the sooner you can really position yourself to start making the most money. Because it's the same thing. You're doing exactly the same thing. You're marketing the system. I don't care where you're at. You could start with Power Lead System. You could start with Lead Lightning. As you saw, this is set up. This is set up for Lead Lightning. Like you come in, they have everything set up for Lead Lightning because they've been putting a lot of work into Lead Lightning. There are more funnels. You can advertise other stuff, but Lead Lightning is where you have the AI that's following up with your leads, closing your leads, that kind of thing. Um, like that's where that is. That's where all the different order bumps are. Okay, that's where people are going to get the urgency. So again, you go to the link in my description, you get that trial, that 7-day trial. You come to Power Lead System, you have Lead Lightning, like you have it. As you can see, like I'm in Power Lead System right now. I have Lead Lightning. It's right there. I could advertise Lead Lightning. I can take and use that funnel. The difference with Power Lead System versus Lead Lightning is Power Lead System is just way more customizable. There's a lot more you can do with the tools in Power Lead System, whereas Lead Lightning is a straight up uh, system ready to go out the box. You don't customize it. It's just the way it is, and people like it because it's simple. They don't have to bother with the customization. They can just go. For people that are a little more advanced, they like to do some customizing, they can do that. So that's all I wanted to cover today. I hope it makes sense. I know I talked a little bit about different systems. Like if you come back over to here, um, let me see if I can. Yeah, right here, Lead Lightning. I have some videos about Lead Lightning. If you want to go and watch those videos, that will explain Lead Lightning to you. It's also right on the sales page as well. So if you when you decide to get started with your 7-day free trial, and you come here to Fast Start, you click Connect Website, just go right here to the sales page. You can read over the sales page. You can watch the videos, right? The same videos I'm showing you, and you can learn all about it as well. But I have it right on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out. Okay, so thanks for watching. Appreciate you, and I look forward to working with you.